to award this certificate of appreciation to ABSEC Moises S. De La Peña for the display of exceptional performance in his duties and responsibilities as aviation security personnel on 22:15 hours, 19 January 2024 at the North Delivery Gate, NAIA Terminal 3, Pasay City. Okay, supposed to be kahapon, given this 22nd day of January 2024 at the office of Terminal 3, Police Section, NAIA Terminal 3, Pasay City, Philippines. Signed, okay, Airport Police Inspector Jesus Dugusin, Chief, Terminal 3, Police Section. Okay? For you. Okay? Congratulations. Okay. Ito, bibigay ko sa iyo bilang pagiging matapat mo sa akin. Diba? Trabaho mo. And ituloy-tuloy mo yan. Sana maging halimbawa siya. Nakuha nyo? Yes. Okay, gano'n yun. Dapat hindi ka sobra. Ako ang sasaludo sa'yo. Di ba? Ang saludo kasi, hindi yan binibigay basta-basta.